Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a profit update for the buy and hold versus the KuCoin Infinity Gridbot challenge that I actually deployed just over 30 days ago. Now, if you missed the video where I actually set up this challenge and bought Bitcoin and deployed an Infinity Gridbot to see which strategy would perform the best, I will drop a link to that video in the description down below. So with that being said, let's get into the weeds and see which strategy is so far the most profitable. And we will start over here in my KuCoin account and we'll take a look at the actual buy and hold strategy. So just over 30 days ago, I actually bought 500 USDT worth of Bitcoin at an average price of 42,732 USDT. And I moved that BTC from my trading account over to my main account so that it would not be affected by any trading that I'm actually doing on my account. So if we jump into the main account, we can find out the current value of that BTC. And it looks like the current value of that BTC is sitting at just around $509. And given the fact that Bitcoin is hovering around 43,500, we should expect this small gain on that buy and hold strategy. Now, in order to check the stats for the Infinity Gridbot, I will actually need to connect my phone to my computer so you all can see how that's actually performing, because right now those numbers aren't accessible from a desktop computer. Alright, so now I have the phone connected to my computer so you all can see what I'm looking at, and we'll start over here with the parameters. And you can see when I configured and deployed this bot, I set the lowest price at 18.5 and the entry price was at around 42,725 USDT. And so that price was in line with the position I bought for the buy and hold strategy. And then I set up a profit rate of 1% per grid. And unfortunately, there are some issues with this particular bot since it's been deployed. It was running and operating just fine up until about a week or two ago. It actually stopped selling any of the Bitcoin that it held. You can see it currently holds 0.062384 Bitcoin, and all it has now is buy orders and no sell orders. And if I jump over here to the order history, you can see the last time it had any action was on January 24th, and today is February 11th, so it's gone a couple weeks without any action. And the last action it did was it actually bought Bitcoin down around the 32,000 to the 34,000 range, and so it did accumulate Bitcoin at a lower price for me. But the last time it sold was when Bitcoin was in the 35,000 range, and you can see as the price dropped, it continued to buy, but it has since failed to sell any of that Bitcoin, which it would have obviously sold for a profit because we're now sitting around 43,500. So technically, some of the profit this bot should have captured is missing from the final number we're going to take a look at here in a moment. So with that all being said, let's get to the actual number. So this particular Infinity Gridbot, you see I deployed just about a month ago when I actually started this challenge, and it's currently up just over 12 USDT. So it is ahead of the buy and hold strategy by 4 USDT, which has it currently winning the battle versus a buy and hold strategy. Now I'm going to actually have to power this down and redeploy this bot today in order to have this bot begin functioning the way it is supposed to. So what I need to do is I need to go over, click on the power button, Alright, so when I connect the phone to the laptop here, apparently I caused some technical difficulties, and since the original Infinity Gridbot was no longer correctly functioning, I redeployed a new Infinity Gridbot today with the investment amount of the 512 USDT to kind of match what the other Infinity Gridbot had. And Bitcoin actually started to sell off when I was redeploying this Gridbot, and the entry price will be pretty much the same we had originally, so we're good as far as that goes. And since this is a long-term challenge, I will continue to do update videos, so now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. And remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.